Hello, friends. A very good day to everyone. Today, I have with me a vacuum cleaner from a company called Inalsa. I bought this from Amazon during this Republic Day sale for about 3,600. The package came like this without any outer cover, and I saw the package was a little bit damaged. But let's open up the box and see what comes inside. The instruction manual and the warranty card. I suggest to go through the instruction manual before using the vacuum cleaner. Next is the crevice nozzle, the 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. It comes with a brush head and also the crevice nozzle. Next is the wire or cord winder. This fits in the aluminum pipe or the connector. I'll show that later. Then comes the floor. Then comes the floor cleaner, which comes along with a small 40 ml water tank, and also comes with with extra mop. So you can fill in water here. Just be careful not to mix Lysol or any other cleaner. We just need to add plain water in the container. Next are these two connectors. These are made of aluminum and extends up to about 3 feet. And last, we have the vacuum cleaner itself, nicely tucked inside. So it comes with two HEPA filters, one at the back, which can be removed like this. The good thing about HEPA filters is that they are washable. So once you have dirt accumulated, you can wash it. The next is the HEPA filter in the front compartment. So to remove we have this notch here, and a symbol to lock and unlock. So to unlock, I just have to rotate, pull the compartment out, then the motor casing comes out like this, and the filter, the second HEPA filter, is located here. Inside we also see a wire mesh filter. So this will filter out bigger particles, whereas the HEPA filter will be able to filter out minute dust particles. So in order to fit this, we just have to push it inside. There is a rubber gasket here which prevents dust from escaping. And to lock, I just have to align this small notch here and then give it a nice twist, and then it's locked. And last but not the least, it also came along with a wall mount with two screws. So this vacuum cleaner can be hung from a wall for storage, which is quite good. So I'll quickly connect all the accessories and then we'll show you the suction power. So here I have the vacuum cleaner, some grains of rice, dal, and this mosquito repellent powders, and to show you the suction power of this vacuum cleaner, let me So let me show you the suction power. First is the grain of rice. So it has nicely sucked up all the grains. Now let's try the grains of lentils. This also has been pretty nice. On the far left is a rather larger grains of dal. Let's see how this vacuum cleaner works on that. So as you can see, this is nicely sucked up. I don't think this powder would be that difficult. Just to show. I have no complaints in terms of the capability of this vacuum cleaner. It's value for money, worth about 3,500. I would definitely suggest you guys to go. The only downside is it's not a cordless. It has this cable, but still it works perfectly fine. So thanks all for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video.